Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bella Stone, and today I'm really excited to be talking about Secret Lab's gaming chair, specifically the one that I'm sitting on right now, which is the Titan 2020 edition. We've been looking at new chairs, especially with the pandemic going on and working remotely as well as online school. So we've been spending a lot more time sitting than we used to, and that has just been a pain in my back. I just haven't been as supported as I'd liked. I found a lot of reputable reviews and numerous certifications that Secret Lab has with their chairs that were just really intriguing to me and made me feel like I was actually looking into a high quality and reliable chair. We've been trying this chair out for a couple of weeks now. We've had our thoughts about its comfort level, its stability, and just overall reliability, and whether or not it's worth the price. In this video, I will be sharing my own opinion from someone who is 5'4". So now I'm going to walk you guys through the unboxing, overall the mechanics and physical features of this chair, as well as my final thoughts and honest review on what my experience has been with the Secret Lab's gaming chair. The backrest has a width of 21.7 and a length of 33, a seat base of width 20.5. The length of the armrest to the other armrest is 26 to 29.1. The seat depth is 19.7. The armrest pad has a length of 10.6 and a width of 3.9. The wheelbase diameter is 27.5, the height adjustment is 3.7, the floor to the seat base is 18.7 to 22.4, the recommended height is 5'9 to 6'7, and a weight of under 290 pounds. I'll add more specific dimensions in the description down below. Secret Lab gaming chairs have a cold cure foam mix, which gives you a good supporting firm feel to benefit your posture. Secret Lab offers Prime 2.0 PU leather, soft weave fabric, and Nappa leather for the materials of their gaming chairs. The PU leather has a durable, plush, and supple feel. It's resistant to spills and is a soft, flexible, and smooth material. It's also the material with the most customization options, ranging from Secret Lab Originals to esports editions and special editions. The soft weave fabric is made from dense, short yarns, giving it an ultra soft and fluffy texture. The material is breathable, durable, and the most pet-friendly. They do also offer the Nappa leather, however, I recommend the other two options to stay cruelty-free. The included pillow gives you extra support with its dense memory foam. It also has a cooling gel to keep you refreshed. It comes with an integrated adjustable lumbar support for your lower back. You can turn the knob to adjust the depth of your back support. The armrest is made up of faux metal as well as PU leather for its concave top. It has a 3-inch height adjustability, a 1-inch sideways adjustability, a 1.4-inch front and back adjustability, and angled adjustments. You also have a full-length backrest recline, so you can have ergonometric support. I wanted to try it with and without the pillow, and it was definitely more comfortable without the pillow. And to my surprise, it also goes pretty forward. It also has multi-tilt mechanism, which is like a suspension system for your chair. You can just tilt back for whatever angle you want, and you can lock yourself in place. It also has class floor hydraulic pistons, which means that it's the best in its class in terms of consistency, stability, and safety. It has ADC12 robust aluminum wheelbase, and these aluminum alloys have high mechanical properties and good castability. They're also reinforced with additional ribs and gussets for improved structural integrity. It's also equipped with XLPU caster wheels, which move smoothly and quietly through your floor. Overall, my final thoughts are that this was a very good, high quality chair. It was firm in a way that I like the firmness of it because I can tell that it is helping my posture. I would like it maybe to be a little bit more cushiony. I really like how the chair kind of hugs my legs. It feels very supported. Whenever I use the chair personally, I don't like to use the pillow just because I feel like it's just not how I'm the most comfortable, so I always like to take it off. It's just more comfortable for me, but the pillow is really soft. I could probably repurpose it and put it under my leg or something. Ben's experience with the chair is he likes it to be more cushioned right below his legs. So he likes to put this purple seat cover on top of it just to make it overall softer. I don't prefer to do that myself just because it would make it softer, which would be nice, but it kind of would take away that curvature that I like that secures my legs nicely. The price is $429. It's not a cheap chair. It still seems cheap for the level of quality and support you're getting. This chair is comparable to other chairs out there that have been almost twice the price tag. And if it's a bit too high for you to pay all at once, they do financing through Affirm. I believe it's around $39 a month. My favorite features of the chair would be all the numerous different adjustments you can have with the armrests. You never really know when buying a new chair if the armrest is gonna get in the way of you pushing in your chair all the way. This just allows you to really put it down or up as much as you like with not having that constraint of making sure that it fits under your desk. It doesn't damage my back as much as the other chairs that I would use, and that's already a big plus. I also think it looks very nice. The only thing that I would change is maybe having more color options. They do have a lot of special editions, but even just more plain color options would be great. Or if we could even customize the chairs to put colors exactly how we want it. Yeah, that's a future implementation that they could have, especially if they partnered with Valorant. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. The point is, more options for customizing the chair would be really cool. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like down below and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And please let me know what gaming chair you like, or if you have a work chair that has saved your back. It's always good to find out all these other products. Let me know if maybe you'd be interested in seeing a review on the Omega chair, because that might be a little bit more fitting for my height. I will see you next time. Bye.